Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I got these cute little coils on here. They're like springy coils. I love it. So this is like a style that you could do like on your real hair, but I decided to do it on my wig. This wig is a kinky curly wig from the Ashley Marie collection, and I just wanted to show y'all, you know, some simple little styling things that you could do with the hair, and you don't have to use your curling iron. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a twist set on this kinky curly hair. I'm actually going to do like bantu knots. If you notice, I'm twisting the hair towards the face on one side of the head. So towards the middle, I'll start twisting in the other direction because I want the hair to flow a certain way. It's almost the same if you ever watch any type of styling videos that we've done where we'll curl the hair like towards the face. I'm actually going to twist my knots towards the face. So half of the head will go towards my left side, the other half will go towards my right side. Okay, so notice here I'm actually twisting it towards the right side of that wig so that when I take these coils out, that they're going to flow properly and it'll make sense. Okay, so I'm in the top. I plan on wearing my hair tossed to my left side. So I'm actually going to make sure that these twists in the top are in that same direction. So I put more of the weight on the left side. That way my part is on the right. And that's just basically how I wear my hair. And when I untwist it, I want it to flow. So just watch how I'm going to twist it. I'm going to twist that towards the face, but I'm dropping everything down all the way on the left hand side. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply. I'm going to clean the skin gently. Do not rub the skin hard, guys. I'm going to go in with my Skin Protect. Always use Skin Protect. I still show this in the videos because I know a lot of people think you don't have to use Skin Protect when you're doing a glue application. This was the finished result. I did let it dry under the dryer, and now I'm going to make sure of where I'm going to be placing my glue. So I'm just setting it on my head for now. And I just want to make sure it's lining up properly. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a darker shade across that cap so you can't see it through the wig. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Boho Extreme Cream. I'm going to do thin layers across the front, making sure that I get it very, very flat so that the glue dries properly. If you get some in between the cap, you want to go in and get that as well. Once that first layer is dry, I'm going to go in with my Boho lace wig tape. I'm going to make sure that I cut it properly. In cutting it properly, you have to make sure that you leave that line in the middle so that you'll be able to get those tabs off easily. I'm going to put them in the corners because that is a lifting area for a lot of people. So I just want to put that on top of that first layer of glue to give me additional hold. Okay, so now I'm going to go back on top with my Extreme Cream on top of the tape, on top of my previous layer of glue, and I'm going to do another thin layer. You could do, like I said, you can go up to 7 layers, but most people only need 3 to 4 for a really great hold. Okay, so once everything is applied, I'm going to go in with my Skin Protect. This helps red shine. I also still like to use a little makeup on the Skin Protect. If you press it in really good with the dryer, it's going to dull out the shine. I've used this on other videos and other items as well. Now I'm going to go in with my contour makeup. I don't like to use powder. I feel like powder gives it like a chalky look. So I'm going to go in just with a little tap. You notice I did not dig in the makeup. I'm just going to go in just a little bit just to give a little color, and it also dulls it out as well. I feel like it gives it more of a skin effect. That's why I like to use the contouring cream, but you notice I don't use a lot. When I tie it down, that's actually going to press everything into the lace, and it's going to make it look nice. I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs with the boho lace jelly. I usually only do baby hair with curly hair, so since this is curly, I'm going to do my baby hair. And make sure you catch my baby hair videos as well. Okay, so when you take down the bantu knots, you want to make sure that you take them down neatly. Don't just yank them out. I want to make sure that it is still in a spring coil when I take it down. And I'm going to make sure that when I undo it like so, I'll be able to separate it so that it stays neat. So you want to go in there, you want to kind of break it apart. Don't be like in a rush to like take it out, because then it'll end up frizzy. So if you notice, I'm taking my time and I'm separating it, and then I'll let it spring back. If you want, you could put a little oil on your hands, because that does help. So you can use some serum. You know, when I'm doing this, I always have something on my hands to make it a little easier and to keep the shine and keep away from the frizz. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please comment below your thoughts and let us know what other videos you would like to see.